So in this problem, we'll use the distance formula to find the distance between points A and B. Marisol, tell me the distance formula. Thank you. Furiola, tell me the distance formula. I'm going to highlight the most common mistake for students. It is the negative sign. Let's do the substitution. Well, first thing I need to do is label. And now I do a substitution. And I'm going to put in those red subtraction signs. Class, what is my x1 value? My x2 value? y1 value? y2 value? Let's simplify. Class, negative 2 minus 3. Six minus 5. Negative 5 squared. Positive 25. 1 squared. D equals the square root of 126. I'm going to put that in my calculator. Let's say I want to round to the nearest hundredth. Square root button is there, is the opposite of the exponent. Partner A, tell partner B, if you had to round that number to the nearest hundredth, what would you write? Class, this is the ones, this is the tenths, this is the hundredths, this is the thousandths. So to round to the hundredths, I have to look at the thousandths. If this is 5 or higher, what do I do with this value? It goes up. Well, what's higher than 9? 10. D is approximately 5.10 units. I purposely went slow because a lot of students miss it. Everyone say exact? That's an exact answer. This would be a rounded answer. Pay attention to what I ask you. So there's the distance formula. Now, you can do this problem in any of these methods, but I would choose the Pythagorean theorem because there are no negative signs. Let's go ahead and graph those points. The hardest part is drawing a triangle. Negative 2, 6, 2, 4, 6 here, and then 3, 5, right 3, up 5. Connect my right triangle. Can't see it, make it bold. Nice straight edge. Okay. Class, what is the length of this side? Everyone say 1. So if you don't have graph paper, you can still figure that out, can't you? Count with me. Ready, set, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What's the length? If you want to fail the class, you will try to count going sideways. Can you do that? No, you cannot. Partner B, tell partner A, what is the Pythagorean theorem? Come on. Pythagorean theorem? The Pythagorean theorem only works for right triangles. It is an equal sign. If they ever ask you to prove that it's a right triangle, you would just put all the values in there and see if they're equal. Class, this value, is it A, B, or C?
B.
Doesn't matter as long as it's not C. What value is that one?
B.
And this one is
C.
And we know that's a C value because it's
The longest side.
it's a hypotenuse, it's across from the right angle. Let's go ahead and do our substitutions. C value is unknown. A value?
1.
And your B value? Oh no, look at that! It's pretty much the same, isn't it? How do you get rid of the power of 2? You take the square root. Oh. C is equal to, I can even make it look like it, 5 squared plus 1 squared. 25, I was going to say 25 squared. 5 squared is 25 plus 1. C equals the square root of 26. Do you see how the distance from the Pythagorean theorem is essentially the same? What's the big idea? I think Pythagorean theorem is more visual, and you don't have to deal with the negative sign. And the formula is more simple.
I love math. You don't love math? What's wrong with you?